Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 1. So again, this is just same with squaring two-digit numbers ending in 2 and 3. So the only difference is that the constant number here is 2 instead of 4 and 6. So for example, if we're going to have 21 squared, so any number ending in 1 being squared, the last digit is 1. So you're going to put here 1. Then you're going to look at the first digit. This is 2 here. So the same with the process in squaring numbers ending in 2 and 3. So we're going to have 2 times 2 here plus 0. So 2 times 20. Then plus 2 times the constant will be 2. So for our answer here, so this is 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to have 44. So we're going to have 441 for our answer. Another example, let's have 51 squared. So again, we're going to put here 1. Then first digit is 5. So this is 5 times 50. Then plus 5 times 5 times 2. So 5 times 50 is 250. Then 5 times 2 is 10. So 250 plus 10 is 260. So we're going to have 51 squared as 2,601. Let's have next one. Let's have 61 squared. So last digit will be 1. Then first digit here is 6. So 6 times 60. Then plus 6 times 2. 6 times 60 is 360. Then 6 times 2 is 12. So 360 plus 12 will be 372. Okay, last one. Let's have 91 squared. So 1 here. Then this is 9 times 90 plus 9 times 2. 9 times 90 is 810. Then 810 plus 9 times 2 is 18. So you're going to have 810 plus 18, and that will be 828. So 91 squared is 8,281. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.